Guys, mga kasama manok, it's ang kinukuha ng ang BMEG Power Max. Ayan, nang pikikilala ang 4-stage conditioning system. Ayan, pang BMEG Power Max Kick Booster Crumble with growing nutrition, in probiotics, organic selenium, vitamins and minerals pang 1 to 21 days, 22 to 4 months ang baby stag developer crumble. Ano ba yan? Hanggang 7 months, 4 months. Yan guys, ang BMEG Power Max the Optimum Fighting Cock Sports Nutrition Stag Developer Transition Pellets. My Pro-Win Nutrition, Chromium Piliconate, probiotics, vitamins and minerals, and organic selenium. 4 to 7 months mo na. Yan guys, ang pang conditioning na, ang BMEG Power Max Conditioning Pellet. Wala ng feeding guide for 30 days before the fight. 70 to 80 gram packs. Ayan, meron high protein conditioning pellets. Ayan. Alright, maraming salamat po mga kasama manok. See you next time and peace!